Build a $500,000 business with AI agents this year. What if I told you that you could build a $500,000 business this year without hiring a single employee? No team. No office. Just you and a few powerful AI agents. Sounds crazy, right? But in 2025, it's not only possible, it's happening every single day. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact strategy to build a six-figure business with AI agents, how they work, what tools to use, and real examples of people already doing it. Stick around till the end. I've got a free tool stack and AI agent workflow for you to download. Part 1. What are AI agents? Let's start simple. AI agents are like digital employees, but 10x faster and way cheaper. These are smart programs that can make decisions, take actions, and complete tasks without you telling them every step. Example, let's say you want to find 500 leads for a plumbing business in Texas. A human VA might take 3 days. But an AI agent like AutoGPT or Cognosis can scrape, sort, and send emails in under an hour, autonomously. They're powered by platforms like ChatGPT, AgentGPT, TaskAid, and others. You give them a goal, like, write and send an outreach email to e-commerce brands, and they break it into tasks, execute, and learn as they go. Part 2. $500,000 AI Business Model Blueprint. Here's the roadmap. You build a service business and let AI agents run the core operations. Let's break down a few high-performing models. Business model options. 1. AI content agency, blogs, newsletters, ad copy. 2. AI lead general agency, find, contact, and book leads. 3. YouTube automation, use AI for scripting, voiceovers, editing. 4. Drop servicing, sell services like SEO or design and deliver with AI. 5. Mini SaaS tools, offer a microservice powered by APIs plus AI. 6. Digital product empire, AI-generated ebooks, courses, templates. Example, take the AI lead general agency. Here's a realistic scenario. You sign up 10 clients, dentists, coaches, real estate agents. You charge each $2,000 per month to generate leads. That's $20,000 per month. Your AI agents find the leads, write the emails, follow up, and even book calls, all while you sleep. Part 3. Tool stack and workflow. Let's talk tools. Here's what your AI-powered business will need. Split screen of tools in action. ChatGPT, custom GPTs, copywriting, scripts, onboarding. AutoGPT, Agent GPT, task automation and decision-making. Cognosis, TaskAid agents, project-based execution. Zapier, Make, workflow integration. Lemlist, Instantly, SmartLead, cold email outreach. Notion AI plus Google Sheets, organization and tracking. Stripe plus Airtable, CRM plus payment system. Think of your agents like employees. For example, your outreach agent scrapes LinkedIn, filters leads, writes emails with ChatGPT, and sends them with Lemlist, all triggered by a Zapier automation. Pro tip. You can run an entire agency with under $200 per month in tools, compared to thousands in payroll. Part 4. Real case studies. Let's look at real people using AI agents today and their results. Example 1. Social media automation agency. One creator, Alex from Toronto, used ChatGPT plus TaskAid to run a content agency. He serves 12 clients writing daily posts, reels, and carousels, none of it written by hand. He's now making $18,000 per month and only works 5 hours per week. Example 2. Lead generation empire. Meanwhile, Jason in Florida built an automated real estate lead service. He used Apollo plus Cognosis to build an agent that finds hot leads and books calls. He scaled to $36,000 per month in 5 months, with one part-time VA. Example 3. YouTube automation channel. Then there's Maria, who launched 5 faceless YouTube channels with AI voiceovers, mid-journey thumbnails, and ChatGPT scripts. One channel alone brought in $9,000 last month. Part 5. How to start this week. Here's the step-by-step action plan to get started in the next 7 days, checklist format. First, choose a niche you understand: real estate, coaches, e-com, clinics. Second, pick a business model: content agency, lead gen, YouTube, etc. Third, set up your tool stack. Start free if needed. Fourth, create a simple website or offer page. Fifth, deploy AI agents to get clients, outreach, networking, ads. Sixth, use AI to deliver the service. Feedback loops improve over time. Lastly, scale with automations and systems. You're one decision away from launching something big. Start small, just one client, one agent. Then scale. AI agents aren't just the future, they're the now. And the people who take action in 2025 will own the next wave of business. If you're ready to build a lean, profitable, AI-powered empire, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly breakdowns, tool reviews, and real money-making strategies with AI.